Welcome back, passionate gardener. Today I'm going to show you some trick about zucchini plant. If you have a zucchini plant, only one or two or few, you have this problem regularly. Like my female flowers done flowering, and then I got a like this is 2 days ago. This is yesterday that my male ones came up. Then this is my male flower, and there is another female flower of zucchini came today. So this is common because it's the one plant I have in this garden, and it's going to be difficult because zucchini flowers are not self-pollinating. So they have both female and male flowers, but if they are not in the same time, the flowers is already closed. This male also closed because this is 2 days ago, this is the last day yesterday, and this is today. That's so two female flowers, one male flower. So it's happened in between. So it's difficult to pollinate by the bees. So I'm going to do a few things today, and that will help to pollinate by hand. So I'm using a cotton bud, and just going to open the flowers a bit, the male one, and the same I'll be doing going to do the female one, which is flowered 2 days ago and which is closed at this moment. So you can see there are a lot of pollens. So I'm going to use this cotton bud. So just going to use this cotton bud to get the pollen. So you can see a lot of pollens are there. So there will be no limit that there is not much pollen. So I'm going to use this pollen in the female buds like this. So that will give a hand pollination technique. So, and this should encourage this protein for the today's one. But what to do with the day before yesterday? So this is the same thing I'm going to do. Take some pollens from the male and going to open up the female flowers little bit. Don't want to damage the fruit, so just tear with hand a bit. Just open up, just opening up. Sorry, pick up the phone in one hand and just doing with the other. So again, taking some pollens from the male. So you can see a lot of pollens in the male flowers, and going to use the same in the female flowers. So there is a small gap I have made here. So I'm going to use this to pollinate the female flowers. So you can see these female flowers inside, little bit open, and do this way. That will give it some chances, because without male and female flowers together, it's close to impossible to transform this in a zucchini, unless you have a zucchini garden closer to your house and the bees are helping to pollinate your zucchini. Otherwise, because they are not self-pollinating, so they need male and female flowers coming in the same day. So you can see like there are a lot of female flower I have, that there are a lot of male flowers as well. So in zucchini, like they start with the male flowers initially, and that once the plants get healthier, and they start getting the female flowers. So you can see like my plants is very healthy at this moment, and lot of flowers coming up. I'm expecting lot of zucchinis coming up, and use this trick by using a cotton bud, and hand pollination will give you more chances to transfer to zucchinis. If you see, there's one zucchini I had there, this is only female flower. This is just dropped up because it's dried out. This is dried out because of a lack of pollination. So this is the only one during that time I did nothing, and this got dried out. So I don't want to do this for remaining, so I'll use this method to do the self pollination, so that I don't lose zucchini's female flowers and they can transform to the fruit. So hope this video going to helpful for you to zucchini growing, and hope you'll have a lot of zucchinis this year. And give a thumbs up if you like the content and like the trick, and don't forget to subscribe this channel if you're new to my channel. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Happy gardening, gardeners. This is my little garden, so just give you a glance. I do make videos on the gardening side though. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.